As Indiana's new primary election day, June 2nd, approaches, officials say the health of both voters and poll workers is key.
Demetrius Sanders is live in our newsroom. He joins us with what precautions are being taken before voters head to the polls. Demetrius.
Mike Sadie, Indiana Secretary of State Connie Lawson is encouraging voters to cast their ballot absentee, but measures are also being taken to protect those who decide to head to the polls. In late March, the Office of the Indiana Secretary of State announced changes to June 2nd's primary election. One of those was a change to a rule that would now allow no reason absentee voting amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
As we weather the COVID-19 storm, it's the smartest way to vote. And again, I encourage you to submit your absentee ballot application by Thursday, May 21st.
Although officials are encouraging citizens to vote absentee, Indiana will allow voters to head to the polls on Election Day.
There are many people in the state of Indiana who voting on Election Day is a sacred right to them. They want to vote in person in the election, and we did not want to take that away from them.
To ensure health at the polls, Indiana has ordered thousands of pieces of PPE, which include masks, disinfectant spray, and gloves.
We've been very deliberate and careful not to solicit vendors supplying critical care needs as not to interfere with those supply lines.
Lawson says these resources will be used for poll workers only and says for those who choose to vote in person, she encourages they bring their own PPE.
Wear a mask. If you got gloves, they're clean. You can wear those to the polling place as well.
On Friday, Lawson also discussed the possibility of November's presidential election having some of the same rules as the primary.
It's not going to be impossible to do that. We have done it now. And if we need to do it in November, we can do it. So, but that decision won't be made until this primary election is over and we see how things have gone.
Now, the deadline to request an absentee ballot is Thursday, May 21st. Early voting will begin May 26th. And today, Lawson also says she does expect to see a delay in complete results due to changes in the election. Mike.